So for all those people who have curly hair and who also have hair which is very frizzy, the first thing I want you all to do is, you remember mamas and grandmamas used to wrap it with a towel? I had just wrapped my hair with this towel. So I keep it wrapped after I wash my hair for some time because it contains the moisture in the hair very well. But I don't keep it wrapped till it dries. I just keep it wrapped till it is like this. It's still fully wet but not dripping wet, yeah? So that's how I keep it. 2 tips for you all. Don't take the towel and do, like that, what we saw growing up years, and just go this way to your hair to dry your hair. That actually frizzes up your hair. Hair on the outer surface has a lot of cuticles, which are the protein of the hair, which is like a flower petal arranged like this all around your hair. So if you irritate and rub it, all those petals which are supposed to be tightly closed like a bud opens up like this. And all the open cuticles does 2 things. 1, it makes the hair look very rough. The shine of the hair is not there because the light is not now reflecting from the hair really nicely. 2, it makes the hair brittle. 3, it makes the hair very frizzy because right now you opened up the petals, so the hair absorbs water too quickly. So it makes it very frizzy. It swells up, becomes frizzy and brittle. So that's something that you don't want to do. And a swollen up hair, like I say, is also not shiny. It doesn't look glossy. So you just contain it like this. Don't do that to your hair with a towel. Just press it to squeeze out the extra hair. Can I also have that fan off? Yeah. Squeeze out the extra. Then what I really love doing is taking a drop of any oil that I may like. Yeah. So it could be the one in my hand right now is Argan and Moroccan oil from something called as OGX. I also have used something called as Vella. Sorry, what's that? Have an oily scalp? Yes, we shall do that. And I take a drop of any of the curl holding gels. What I really like is something called as WEN. It's an American brand, and I just pick it up. And I just take literally 1 blob of it. Look at my hand. This is just 1 blob of it. And then I mix it with the oil. And then I actually toss my hair the other way. And then I go and just do this and scrunch my hair with this. That's all is what I do. So don't forget scrunching the top part also. So I just end up scrunching. So I just have this. I take it and just scrunch my hair with this. Today you will see by the time 30 minutes is over, hair will look beautiful because it will start drying then. So I just end up crunching the whole hair, scrunching it up with just the product in my hand. And if you saw, I took very little product. Because if you take too much product again, the hair will after some time look too oily and kind of does not look nice. So I just like to scrunch it up and that's it. I'm done with what I want to do to my hair. It is nicely scrunched up. So that's all is what I'm doing. Alright, so now we will get to, and then I let it air dry. It just dries. I don't like to dry it with a diffuser. I just like it air dry. And the curls will slowly kind of get tighter as it starts drying in.